Alright, what's up everyone, it's Benishe right here, and today's video I'll be showing you all how to stretch your backgrounds in Photoshop. And there are a few things to keep in mind if you really want to pull this off in post-production. First of all, what you want to keep in mind is placing your model at the center of your image. I didn't really plan to do this in post-production. I'm quite okay with the composition of this photo, but for tutorials purposes I was like, okay, maybe I could just make something out of this. So like I said earlier, just place your model in the center of your image and give a bit of room at the edges of your image as well to easily stretch your photo. As you can see, this part of the image is a little bit tight because of her leg, and it's just, I won't be stretching this part. I will be working with only this part here. I'll stretch only this part right here, but you get my point. It's when you take an image and you just want to stretch the backgrounds in post-production, always place your model at the center of your image, just in case you want to stretch, like both sides of your photo. Also, this method only works with blurred backgrounds and plain backgrounds. So if you have a background that is in focus, it's really not going to look that great when you do it. It's basically not going to work with sharp backgrounds. So let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, we duplicate our background layer. Then we get our crop tool and we expand this to the size we want. I'll advise, not doing so much with this. Less is more. This is pretty much it. This is awesome. Cool. I will check this. And so next thing what to do is I'll grab my rectangular marquee tool right here, and it's already selected though. Rectangular marquee tool, and I will select this edge right here. Sorry about that. Not the best selection I've made. Okay. Alright, that's cool. Then right click, free transform, right click again, distort. So what this dot does, it stretches your selection. I selected this part, so it's only going to stretch the selected part. So I'm going to stretch this all the way to the right, to the left, left, and check this. Deselect, and deselect, by the way, Control D. Deselect, and I have my image right here. Stretch background. Let me show you the before. This is the before, this is the after. Before, after. So what I do after I stretch my background is I go to liquify, just to make sure that everything is, right. Just in case you made some kind of, maybe you made a mistake with your selection and stuff. What you can do with liquify is you can easily just, push the edges to cover up, your mistakes and stuff. I wish life was that simple. So pretty much it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I've been away for some time. It's because I've been so busy, but I'm back now. Hit me up in the comment section if you would like to see any more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.